XTR Deluxe features a spacious and rectangular design, perfect for both kids and adults to splash around and have fun. With various sizes available, you can choose the one that suits your needs, ranging from 18 feet to 32 feet in length. This pool set is built to last, thanks to its sturdy frame made of powder-coated steel. The frame provides stability and resistance to rust and corrosion, ensuring the pool's longevity. The puncture-resistant liner, typically made of 3-ply material, guarantees a watertight seal and provides peace of mind during regular use. Maintaining clean and clear water is made easy with the included filter pump system. The pump efficiently circulates the water, keeping it fresh and inviting for your swimming sessions. Remember, the pump's capacity may vary depending on the size of the pool. Safety and convenience are priorities with the Ultra XTR Deluxe. The set comes with a ladder, allowing easy access to the pool. Additionally, a ground cloth is included to provide a protective layer. In summary, the Intex 26355 Ultra XTR Deluxe Rectangular Above Ground Swimming Pool set offers a durable and enjoyable swimming experience right in your backyard. With its sturdy frame, puncture-resistant liner, and convenient accessories, it's a great investment for family fun during those hot summer days. So why not bring the joy of swimming home with the Intex 26355 Ultra XTR Deluxe? Dive into a world of fun.
Wherever I go, wherever I see, I remember